Ye creatures, the masters of my home, I am your slave with but your summons. You stake your claim with but a touch of your paw. Mine, you say, to everything in your sight. My lap and bed, your favorite places, and so are yours. I sit frozen and sleep twisted to your forms. Around you strut the queens of the castle. This is your world, and I am lucky to know you. Hunters and shadows who call like snakes. Ninjas who strike me from their hiding places. Zen masters meditating in a patch of sun. Effortless yogis whose stretches I envy. Balls of fluff who melt me with purrs. And little thieves who stole my heart.